The spend governor is an AI agent whose entire job is to watch a fleet of other AI agents and govern what they spend. The observed agents, such as refund, auditors, support copilot, sales assistant, or dogsbot, quietly waste money. The governor reads the live traces of these agents from Phoenix, identifies wasteful operations, and acts on them in real time. The top bar is showing us cost per message, the green line, and time, as well as volume and quality of LLMs. As you can see, the cost just dropped, and the arrow points to the support copilot, which happens to be governed. So what happens is that this copilot was wasting money by repeated web searches, and the spend governor noticed that and applied a safe fix, which is saving us this much per month. This is an estimate based on the number of observed conversations in Phoenix. The dollar amount per message is accurate because Phoenix captures the cost of LLM calls, but not every action can be safely applied. So in this case, I'm asked to assist. The question is whether we shall switch to a cheaper model. And before I take a decision, I can see for myself, so I can run a load test in a safe sandbox environment. So certain conversations showed some drop in quality compared to the actual premium model. And I can see which they are, and I can open traces in Phoenix. Apart from that, I can always have a conversation with the agent through Phoenix's MCP, and it receives a meaningful response along with traces to Phoenix. So if I open one of these, I can take a closer look at the entire conversation that happened. This is a web search. If I take a look at annotations, I can see that it comes from cache, thanks to the governor enabling this optimization. Whatever cost savings I see in this tool, they're backed by traces in Phoenix. And we're able to reduce the cost per message quite significantly.